So I went out and did a contract for an older gentleman, and I did a little work for him, and he had a power, like a little small power wheel, like a little car, like a little Corvette or something, and he pointed it out to me, and he had it in the side of his shed. He said, "Man, you see that little power wheel over there, that Corvette?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "I bought that for my grandson." I said, "Damn, you still got it?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "You know what hurts though?" I said, "What's that?" He said, "My grandson is in Yuma prison right now." I was like, "Damn." And it seemed like a good old man, you know what I mean? And I could tell that he did all he can, all he could to try to keep his grandson from going in that direction. But, life and peer pressure and drugs and being around the wrong people sometimes can put you in a direction that you probably wasn't born to go in. But making the wrong choices and being around the wrong people put him in a bad situation. And I just, that old man just put something on my mind, man, and he kind of took a liking in me. He wanted me to do some networking with him, and I'm about to help him with his little projects he got. So, but it was a blessing just to actually hear him say that. You know what I mean? And it made me think of my grandfather, rest in love, Mr. Fred. Man, my grandfather, boy, he used to come and see me with my mom every chance he got. And we used to talk. And I remember on visitation one time when I was in prison, um, I told him I was sorry. I said, "Man, I'm sorry, man, for putting you through all that." And he was like, "Grandson, don't worry about it." He said, "We all live and learn. I'm not mad at you. I just want you to get out of here and do something with your life." And a lot of our older generation, man, a lot of our, forefathers, our grandmothers, you know what I mean, grandparents, the older generation, man, they just want to see us be the best we can be. Hold on.